Welcome back to a particularly special end of 2024 video. What better way to start 2024 than to stop scrolling and start making something with your two hands. So as a final video of 2024, I have put together a list of 5 ways to stop scrolling and start making. The 5 reasons to start leathercraft. Reason number 1, there is such an amazing community within the maker space, and especially from my experience, leathercraft or leather work, whatever you want to call it, it's the same thing and it doesn't matter what you call it. The point is, the community surrounding leathercraft, the community surrounding leatherwork is absolutely phenomenal. In the past 3 years of doing YouTube and 5 to 6 years I have been doing leather work. I started in 2019. I have made some absolutely phenomenal friends. The people in this area are just special. If you are like me and you struggle with getting out there and making friends and getting to know people, the creative space is just astounding. You get to meet people, you get to get to know them, share your stories, share your creative art, share your creative gifts. And even if you are starting from zero, like some of you will be if you're watching this video, there is no better way to do it, because the people within leathercraft are just, they're so giving. They want to share their skills, they want to share their knowledge, they want to share and help you grow as a craftsperson, as a leather craftsperson, as a leather worker. They want to help you grow and achieve your goals, whatever your goals may be. I have made some absolutely phenomenal internet friends, including some real life friends who I've gotten to know. I've met them in person. There are meetings, there are craft fairs. If you want to get into it and sell your goods, there are ways of doing that as well. Number 2 is improving your eye-hand coordination, improving your digital dexterity, your fingers, your movement. There are so many reasons not to be on social media these days, but unfortunately social media has taken over the world. You're watching it right now. YouTube is social media, unfortunately. It is no secret to people that know me that I am not a big fan of social media. Instagram, I don't love. I appreciate that it's needed for some things within business. It's fantastic for helping you grow as a business. But if you put your phone down and you make something, those digits of yours will thank you. They will be so happy. Your ability to move your hands, the ability for your brain to know where your hands are in relation to you, in relation to space, your proprioception, fancy medical word for knowing where your body is, will improve so much. You learn how to use different tools, you learn how to use different knives, you learn how to control how much pressure you put through your hands. And it's helped me in so many ways. It has helped me be a better cook in the kitchen because I'm able to use my hands in a much more efficient way, in a much safer way. It's helped with my personal relationships with my family. They ask me to help put things together now. They ask me to help make things. They ask me to help fix things when stuff goes wrong around the house, and I absolutely love that. So your digital dexterity, your eye-hand coordination is so improved by doing any craft. I particularly love leatherwork. I think you will particularly love leatherwork, and it's what I have experience in doing and in teaching. This is the big one for me. This is the really, really big one for me. Leathercraft and crafts in general have helped enormously with my mental health. When I started leatherwork back in 2019, I'll do a different video on this specifically, but when I started leatherwork back in 2019, I was going through a big emotional roller coaster. I was going through depression, which really, really sucks, and I feel for anyone that is going through that themselves. But leathercraft helped me focus on something. One of the things about mental health is it you need to focus on something. You need something to bring you out of those really, really dark days. And Leathercraft helped me so much because I didn't want to get up. I didn't want to do things. I didn't want to see people. But Leathercraft helped me think, okay, today I would like to improve this, or I'd like to make this for my dad, or I'd like to make whatever it might be. And it doesn't matter if you're good at it. In fact, it's probably less good if you're good at it, because if you're good at it, so this is the perfect video for you. If you're good at it, you don't do it as much because you're thinking, oh, actually, I don't need to improve upon this, and I don't need to improve upon that. If you're learning the skill from scratch, which I hope a lot of you are because it's such an amazing skill, and if you are learning it from scratch, go have a look at my website because I have patterns available for you, so you don't have to start from scratch. You can start with a pattern, a blueprint of where you want to go with your making of something you want to make. You want to make yourself a new card holder, go make one. You can do that. You can buy the pattern from my website, the link is in the description box below, and go and make something for yourself, for your loved one, for your partner, for your husband, for your wife, your child, whoever it is. Make something for them because it gives you a reason to get up. It gives you a reason to do something. It also helped me lose a astonishing amount of weight. I will go into that in another video if you would like, but Leathercraft, I know it doesn't sound like why would cutting leather help you lose weight, but for me it did, because subconsciously when I was feeling down, which is when I ate more, I used to comfort eat. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I used to be very, very large, which for me was really, really unhealthy. It was one of the worst periods in my life because unhealthiness, which is not a word, but being unhealthy and being depressed go hand in hand. So if you're helping your depression, you will help your mental health, which will help you. And if losing weight is a goal of yours, and I'm not telling you to lose weight, for the record, disclaimer, I'm not telling you to lose weight. Body positivity is important. If losing weight is something you want to do, Leathercraft and crafting in general can help you do that. Making things that are not just a table that sits in your living room. There are some absolutely phenomenal things you can do in all crafts. You can make a table, you can make a book, you can make a whatever it might be. You can make an infinite amount of things with your hands. That is how we developed as human beings. We made things. And making something useful is so much more, to me, it is so much more fulfilling because I can make my dad a belt. My dad recently lost a lot of weight as well, which I'm super proud of him for doing. It's amazing, which goes back to my previous point of mental health. But if you think to yourself, okay, my dad's recently lost weight, he needs a new belt, let's make him a belt so he can use it, he can love it, he can use it for decades. If you look after, the thing about leather work is if you look after the stuff you make, it'll last you for decades. It is a phenomenally lasting substance. Make yourself a new bag. You want to make yourself a crossbody bag, something nice to keep your phone, your book, your credit card, your wallet. You'll find the pattern for a crossbody bag on my website. Again, link is in the description. So my website is down there, and I also have a full build video that you can go and watch to help you make it. So you get to make things that are useful to people, something that they will super appreciate within their life. And to me, that is massively important. When I started in 2019, it was much harder. There were far fewer tutorials. I have loads of build videos on my channel, so if you can scroll through that and learn how to make exactly what you want to make. And the world of Leathercraft is so much more open. the barriers to entry are so much smaller. It used to be the case that you'd see something and you'd think to yourself, oh my god, I don't know how to make that, I don't know where to start. And you'd ask someone and they'd say, oh no, sorry, that's my pattern, that's a secret, I won't tell you. They don't want to help you because they don't want to lose their customer base, or they don't want to lose their audience. But it's never been easier. It has never been easier to start leatherwork today. I hope you enjoyed these 5 reasons to stop scrolling, put your phone down and start making things. It has been an absolute pleasure to help you guys out this year. If you do start leathercraft, go check out the videos on my channel. I have loads and loads of build videos, and I have more coming in the new year. Go check out my website where you can find patterns, and I'm adding more to them on a weekly basis. And I hope you have an amazing new year. I hope you have an amazing New Year's Eve. I hope you have an amazing 2025 and start leathercraft. You will not regret it, I promise. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic week. Take care.